more money, a better relationship, more vitality, or just a life that doesn't feel so incredibly hard all the time and nothing is working, then you need to stop what you're doing and listen very closely. Throw away the vision boards. Stop forcing yourself to think positive. And please, stop repeating affirmations in the mirror hoping today will be the day reality finally bends. You're fighting a war against your own biology, against your own internal energy, and you are losing. Here is the uncomfortable truth that the self-help industry refuses to tell you. Visualizations, journaling, and repeating affirmations will almost never work for you. Why? Because all of those things happen in your conscious mind, and your conscious mind only controls about 5% of your reality. The other 95% is controlled by your default energetic state.